Today our topic is, we're gonna talk about beggars. We see a lot of people out there that they beg out there. So, and most of us help them, right? Most of the us help them. But what is your opinion? You think that they are the deserving people, they are the real people, or we should help them, or if we should not help them, so why? Okay, so I need your opinion on it. Okay? Yes, Abdul Rahim, what do you think?
So my opinion is that there are some real beggars out there also, but we can't divide who is the real and who is the fake.
Okay.
They don't have a difference there. But we want to help the real beggars because they are real needy. But in my opinion, I would donate to the welfares. And if someone on the road, there should be old, more than 60, 70, they can't earn money from the jobs.
Okay.
There's difficulty for them to earn. But those who are young or of our age, they can earn in Pakistan easily.
Okay, so you think that we should help old people out there, or we should donate to the welfare?
Because they are providing 3 times meal to every person who comes to their place. So there's no difficulty for food, and they still demands for khana khila do. That's the lie.
Okay.
So if in Ramzan we can help them, kind of double advantage.
Yeah, exactly. We get the double remuneration, the sawab, the reward from Allah, right? So yes, we should help the people. Okay, but did you ever offer food to the beggars?
Yeah, sometimes.
So what kind of reaction did you find?
Some get happy and some are demanding more. Yeah, cold drink pila do. Yeah,
Okay.
Biryani khila do.
Okay.
I was myself eating halwa puri, and I also ordered halwa puri for him. Biryani khila do.
Okay.
I am eating halwa puri, and you are eating halwa puri, and you're demanding. I'm not drinking a drink, and he wants a cold drink, and he wants Sting especially.
Very nice. Very demanding beggars you had experience.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Very nice. Okay, Hamza. What do you think about those beggars that we see outside?
Sir, he's right that there are 2 types of beggars: real beggars, and those are fakes.
Okay.
So my opinion is the same, that who is able to earn money by his own muscle work,
Okay.
that we don't have to give them. But is someone like a lady who can't earn money, and a uncle who is more than 60, 70 who can't earn money, or someone is not able to earn money, so we can give them, but we don't have to give them money. If they want food, they want money for food, so we can buy them food instead of giving them money.
Okay.
We can give them one time of food. We can buy them biscuits or cup of tea. That's why they are begging. But consuming the point, we can also give to the welfares. Welfares, those are giving 3 times of food in just 11 rupees. So I will carry the point, but we have to give them those who are real beggars, because there are a lot
No,
of.
but how do we know that they are real or they are unreal?
So
is there any kind of
No, sir.
measure? Yeah.
This is the problem, that there is no difference between them. So we can't differentiate between.
Yeah,
them.
because they blackmail us. They say that Allah Ta'ala gave you money or the resources, so you should give it to us.
Yes, sir.
And even if we say no, so the people who are around us, they say that you're not supposed to say no to them.
Yes, sir.
Right?
But sir, they are 50% responsible for them. 50% responsibilities goes to those who give them. Because when I always tell my friend that why are you giving them, they said we are giving for the Allah. I said you are giving for the Allah, but you have to be prepared that the thing that you are giving, it will be go to the
you
person
have to
who need it.
investigate. Yeah.
Yes, investigate who need it. It will go to him. But those who are earning more than 1 lakh rupees by begging on the signals, they can't handle it.
Okay, very nice, very good. Okay, yes, Ayaz, what do you think that how much do they earn? Did you ever calculate that?
No, sir, I didn't calculate that. The reason is, we have so much beggars around our society, and we are looking that it's quite increasing day by day. And I think we should give the money of food to the welfares, not to the beggar.
Okay.
If they are not saying that we need food or money like that, so that is the meaning that yeah, they are the real beggar. Or if they are asking for food or drinks or cigarette or something like that.
Okay, so did anybody ask for the cigarette also?
Yeah, sir, they are asking for the pan as well. I have heard so many like that as well.
Wow.
So you were eating pan also.
No, I wasn't eating pan. I
No,
was
probably that you were
smoking.
near the pan shop, that's why they were asking for the
Because
pan.
I was on pan shop.
Yeah, he was smoking.
Okay.
So I was just smoking on that time.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just
Smoking is not
on
good, he's
that
just
time.
kidding. He doesn't smoke.
Injurious for health, I know
There is a
that.
smoking is injurious to health. Please don't.
Yes, don't listen his comments, right? Yeah, he was near the pan shop, but he was
I
not
was just
smoking.
here-
The
I was
beggar was
just-
asking for the pan.
For pan and
Added tagline.
Yeah. So what should we do if they come to us? So what are we supposed
So
to? I
we
mean, how are we
shouldn't,
supposed to behave?
Just avoid them
Hmm.
because if they are just holding our hand and saying we need things
Okay.
to eat,
Okay.
okay, we should give them food.
Yeah, we should buy them
Instead,
food.
We are giving money like 10, 15, 20, 30.
Okay.
It's not good. I think so.
Okay. Very nice.
This is my-
So okay, I am just saying that we should not give them money or cash. We should buy them a food if they are looking for a food, but not those people who actually demand you for pan or cigarette or biryani with a sting, right? So means they are not beggars
They
actually.
are not.
Yeah, they are not
They are
beggars.
just for satisfying their wishes.
Yeah, exactly. But because in fact, we want something. Yeah. So okay. So you were supposed to say. So you say that we should donate to the welfares.
Yeah.
But how do we? But this is also something very common here. Say that these welfares are also not doing work at a right direction. Means they just get money, right? And they fraud. Means the NGOs are also fraud. So.
So we have to investigate them too.
You are saying that JDC is helping the people. You see the
So we
videos.
have to.
Yeah, the famous NGOs, yeah, they are really working hard.
From the long time, if there was some controversy involved in this, they would have been showed. From the years they are doing this service, so I guess we should believe them.
So there is a restaurant near my area who is just there is a hotel, local hotel of Pathan. He is just giving 3 times of food in just 11 rupees for those who are begging on the streets.
Okay.
So the person will be satisfied that he is giving money for take food. It's just 11 rupees, and twice a week there is meat in the dinner.
In fact, in Pakistan, nobody dies hungry, I guess, because we go to the hotels, especially to the shop of Roti Wala, right? So there's, we always see written over there that you don't have to pay for the rotiyan. Means you can buy them. Means you can, get it for free. So we see that a lot of people do welfare everywhere. So food is not a problem for beggar outside, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So Hamza, yes, Rayan, okay, I want you to share any of your experience with the beggar and any of the experience,
I have a story.
Okay, you have a story. Write it publish it in the newspaper.
In my neighborhood, a beggar came to them and asked for food. And when they came out, and then he stick out his gun,
Oh,
and he robbed them.
Dangerous beggars. Okay, so they pointed a gun at them, right?
Yes.
That's a very bad story that you shared. Thank you so much. Okay, is there any other story that you wanted to help any beggar but they turned into fraud or something?
No, I always give money to the beggars if they ask me.
Okay, if they ask you. If they don't ask, then you don't give.
Sorry.
No, but everybody's saying that we should not give cash to the beggars. They are fraud.
Sir, that's their opinion. My opinion is that we should give money to them because we are no one to judge them.
We are no one to judge them? Really? Really? That we are no one to judge them? We should not judge when the beggars come to us?
So we all know that everything is expensive today. They are needed.
Okay. Okay.
But when I see to children to take Herat,
Uh,
I feel so hurt. If they supported by government, they are not today better.
no, there is a Baitul Mal, there is a proper.
But they were supported by
Department.
government, sir.
Yeah.
They are not today beggar.
No, yeah, there was somebody who, I met somebody in a mosque. He said that I have a loss in business, so can you help me? I said, okay, you can go to Salani. They give a loan. So they look at me and he ran away.
You are right, sir, but more person don't know
About those,
about
those NGOs.
welfares, NGOs.
They know everything. They know more than us.
We have to guideline them.
No, so why he ignored me and he left the place? I said, okay, you have a loss in business. I can help you out.
Yeah.
I'm taking you to the Salani. Salani help those needy people who already have business or they want to do a small business. So they give loan to them, right? So you go and contact them. Salani is working, real good in it. So he didn't listen to me.
They should do, sir.
They should do.
They should do.
Yeah. Share any of your experience.
Yeah, I don't think that they are really deserving person for giving them cash, because it's the new way to earn money. I had a lot of bad experience with them. One day a woman come to me and said, give me money. Then I give her, and then when she go back, she was talking all the beggars around there, and she sent them to me.
Oh.
So I was like, why they are coming to me, and they were all around me. So I saw a lot of beggars, like when the क्या कहते हैं, near Chase there are a person in three-piece suit. He was standing with his family. मतलब he was not disabled and he can earn money in any way, but he was standing on the road and he was begging. So I don't think that they deserve money.
By money, we should help them in some other way.
We have to support our families, poor men's.
Yeah,
This is
we
my
should
point of
support
view.
people who are around us, the
Yeah.
people that we know.
We know,
Okay, in
yeah.
our family, in relatives, in neighbors, in the street.
Neighbors.
Okay, also, or the the
Society.
people who are around us. Right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah, exactly, yeah. Yeah. So, yes, Marwan, do you have any, share any of your experience?
Yeah, I don't think that they are really deserving person for giving them cash, because it's the new way to earn money. I had a lot of bad experience with them. One day a woman come to me and said, give me money. Then I give her, and then when she go back, she was talking all the beggars around there, and she sent them to me.
Oh.
So I was like, why they are coming to me, and they were all around me. So I saw a lot of beggars, like when the क्या कहते हैं, near Chase there are a person in three-piece suit. He was standing with his family. मतलब he was not disabled and he can earn money in any way, but he was standing on the road and he was begging. So I don't think that they deserve money.
This is a new trend. You find lot of good-looking people, good-looking in a sense that they look okay financially, right? Means they are more like us, right? And they are asking for the money. Most of them come to you and ask you something in English,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I am a very qualified guy.
Exactly, and this is happening in near Gulshan, Johor, in PCSH, right?
New way of begging is hold 5 coloring books in your hand and then please buy this, and buy this in third price, triple X price,
Yeah.
and then just please please.
Have.
This is a new way of begging.
Yeah, and they beg in English.
Yeah, they beg in English.
Yeah.
I saw, a woman came to me and she said, excuse me, actually, my sister was taking a medicine and it's stuck in his throat, right? You know, I need just 200 rupees to get a rickshaw, right? So please help me. So मैंने कहा, I guess you are quite late. Your sister might have been passed away, I guess, right? So you better take an ambulance. Means, you know, like, so a lot of people fool us. So if we should not help them, then who are we supposed to help? And how are we supposed to help? Because, you know, this is something in our religion, and this is the humanity that we should help others, right? So how do we find real people, and how can we help? Means, first thing that you know, how do we find that that they are real, or we should help them? How do we know that? Okay, Marwa, first you tell me that do you think that you have some people around you, you think that they're deserving and you should help them?
I think we should help to them who we know. Like in our family, if we know someone and they are really needy people, then we should help them because they are really needy.
So, do you know anybody near you?
Yeah, I know a lot
You know?
of people. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Because you know that like, you know, the sense that we have that we should help them. This is something very positive. That at least that we are humans, we have got that sense that we should help others. This is something very positive. But we should not help because, for example, if you like help to the people who are fake, so this is how that you would ignore to the real people,
Yes.
right? Yeah. So Hamza, okay, you tell me that, you know, do you know anybody or any family or people like around you that you can help them?
So if we look constantly around us, there are lots of people who are needy. So if everybody helps needy people around it, there will be no poverty in coming 10-20 years. But we don't look at real people. If we are going on a signal and there a beggar come and ask for money, we just give him. But we don't investigate that is he a beggar or is he fake. If you go to a signal, there are 10 beggars, so 6 would be fake and 4 would be real. So we have to justify.
No, the real people cannot stand at the signal because signal is paid.
Yes.
Right? Means you cannot stand any place. They all are the spots that they are sold spots.
Yes.
New guy can beg there. Yeah.
Yeah, the new guy cannot bag.
So real people, those who are needy people, don't beg at almost. They just stay at their home. There are lots of people who want jobs. But, there was a guy when I was going to a tandoor. He asked me that I am very needy and I want some money. So there was a job in my city, in my building for a sweeper, and I told him there is a job, and he told me that I don't want job, I want money from you, and then I want just go away. I don't want to give you money. Yes. The fake people want just money without any mehnat, what we call it, without any struggle. They just want to just beg. That's they just want.
Very nice. Very good. Thank you so much, guys. Right? You see that, you know, everybody, you know, these students are learning and studying here, right? And everybody contributed well. Really, you know, I really appreciate that everybody contributed. And the positive thing that I see that when we have conversation, nobody speak. But before mic, everybody was talking. Means that's the magic, right? Everybody spoke a lot. Means I have to take a mic from you. So guys, if you also want to be a part of this class and you want an environment where people speak English, so here we can help each other, right? This is how that we are helping each other, right? So this is how that we can increase our confidence and fix our grammar and speak good English, right? So see you in my next class.
Goodbye.